hi to the boys. Hello, hi.
Hello, Siddharth. Hi, how are you?
Very good. Very
Good to have you here today. Tell us, you're looking dashing. Can't get
Thank
my
you.
eyes off you.
Thank you.
Shit, wow. Okay, tell us a little bit about this look you've styled today.
Well, first of all, I think before Benetton says thank you to me for being here, I have to thank them. Because years ago when it opened in Delhi, it's got me through so many dates, so many parties, and in budget. Made me look stylish and good in front of the ladies. So thank you, Benetton, for having us, for opening in Delhi first and giving me all the stylish clothes. And second of all, what I'm wearing today, yeah, this is my summer look for the year.
Love it.
Dash of color, graphic tee, comfortable shoes. What else does the guy need? Yeah, come on, boys. So yeah, I'm right here wearing Benetton. Thank you for making me look stylish for the night, and I hope you guys have a good evening.
Super. But 1 minute, we're not done with you. We have a few questions for you.
Shoot.
Is there a trend you follow or you like to carry?
You know, my theory about trend or what you should wear or style, I think there are no rules today. You could wear something high street, you could wear some old brand. It's all about your individual style, your personality, what looks good on you. So boys and girls, I think there are no rules. And you can be as fashionable with any kind of brand possible, so any kind of clothes possible. And if you're in budget, Benetton is the place. So yeah.
So everyone knows that you're one of the most well-dressed boys of the industry. Give us a little secret to your damperness. What is the secret?
I think, to start with, it goes on to all my stylists. There's not only me who's working on all my looks. I have a team of people who work. There are a few of them right here in the audience who help me look really good and get all the clothes required. So I think, yeah, trust the right people. And again, I think know what you're dressing up for. I think first of all the occasion, know what fits you nice. You know, everybody has a body type. And choose the color according to the weather, yeah? Dress according to the weather, and you'll never go wrong.
Perfect. Well said. Anyways, boys have it quite easy, I say.
Not quite. Come on. Today's boys are equally trendy and stylish. You know, we as I said, we can look we just make it look easy because we have brands like Benetton who can give us clothes at easy access and good budget. So hence, again, thank you to Benetton to make it look easy for the boys, but it's equally difficult.
Well, you're such an inspiration. What are your favorite pieces from the Spring-Summer 2017 collection?
I think definitely their knits, like what this guy has in the poster right here.
Oh, yeah.
That graphic tee is what I'm wearing today. And loads of colors that they offer you, which is great for everyday wear. I think it's the best high street brand that we have here. And I've worn them, I've tried them. This is what I first bought when I was in college. So as I said, I think I've experienced their fashion sense, and it definitely works. So I'm sure you guys are going to be fashionable this summer as well.
Lovely. We're very keen to know on your top 5 fashion secrets.
Wow, okay, top 5 fashion secrets. Yeah, I think I did mention some of them before. Dress according to the weather. Wear something that fits you really well. Definitely go check out Benetton's new season, summer. And what else? I think don't wear, somebody told me once, a designer in Delhi told me, not to wear white socks with black formal shoes. So that I have made that mistake in school and college. I've gone past those days. So yeah, guys, new trend is don't wear socks at all. So that's very popular. Yeah.
That was a super insight to your fashion sense. I'm sure the boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, everyone here has picked up a trick from you for sure.
I hope so.
I would like to call Ekta Ami.
Accessory on me right now, and she mentioned it when she was introducing me. I'm sure you guys can guess what it is, and I would like to share it with the ladies right here. Do you guys have your Kala Chashmas here? No. Can we borrow some from Benetton right now? Can Benetton give us 3 more Kala Chashmas, or anybody's? Okay, that's one. We'll get 2 more. That's two.
Ooh, we have a couple. We have one
We have a
here.
couple. Okay, okay, you guys are the bosses at this, so please pick one. Yeah. Okay, here we go. You can't fight for them, ladies, now. Stylists, dancers, they're taking my job here, guys. Take it easy. You guys are looking fashionable and moving really well. Well, not from what I saw right now. Actually, that's true. This is
All right.
payback.
All right, ladies and Siddharth, you've been such a fashion inspiration to me and all the guests here this evening. Thank you so, so much. But before we open the floor to the media for Q&As, I would like to ask you ladies to tell us a few of your thoughts about the amazing spring-summer collection. We start with Anaita.
Okay. Well, I think the beauty of the United Colors of Benetton collection is that it's very diverse. Everyone seems to think that it's only day wear. But you know what we've seen today, it's very easy for the youth to wear these pieces even to party at night. And I think this amazing ability to go from work to drinks to party to maybe even a walk of shame the next day. So I think it works for everyone.
Lovely. Thank you, Anaita. Ekta?
I've grown up with the brand and I love it for its color as much as its philosophy. I love that it made the colors of the world come together way before it was cool to do that. So I'm very attached to that idea. And I love that they're affordable style that you can wear every single day of the year from, like she said, morning to night. And I'm a bit obsessed with the stripes, which is why I use them. So just color and simplicity and style all rolled into one, and I think that's very cool about the brand.
Thank you so much, Ekta. Ami, your turn.
Okay, so what I love about Benetton are the separates. I love the fact that you can take one separate and make one look out of it one day and then take the same thing and make something completely different. So that's the fun part. You can have fun with it. Like Anaita said, you can make it serious, you can make it, you know, work, play, anything you want. But what I really love is having fun with the brand.
Lovely. Thank you so much. No, you can't go yet, because I'm sure our media people need to ask you question and answers, photo ops, but hold on. We just take 2-3 more minutes. Just before that, I'd like to request Mr. Sandeep Chugh, Neeraj Sachdeva, and Dipali Mishra, Head Marketing, Benetton India. right. So we'll do the Q&As later. Thank you so much, Siddharth. Thank you for joining us. Would you like to say something before you bid bye?
Well, all I want to say is thank you guys. Thank you Benetton once again for making all of us look stylish. And hope this spring summer is amazing. And thank you to all the people who came out. Lots of love, big hug. Thank you guys. Have an amazing evening. Bye. Thank you.
This is Ravi Kumar in front of you. Yeah, this is Ravi Kumar from News Helpline. सिद्धार्थ, हमने आपकी पुरानी तस्वीरें देखी हैं, कॉलेज की तस्वीरें हमने देखी हैं. उसमें आप काफी सिंपल, काफी शाय दिखाई देते हैं. तो मैं आपसे जानना,
कौन सी पिक्चर देखी आपने?
पुरानी
कॉलेज की
पिक्चर है.
अच्छा हाँ.
तो उसमें आप काफी सिंपल, काफी शाय दिखाई देते हैं.
हाँ.
लेकिन जब आप ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड में आप एंट्री कर रहे थे और उसके लिए आपने प्रिपेयर की, आपने फैशनेबल बनने के लिए आपको किस तरह की चैलेंजेस आपको पर्सनली आए?
फैशनेबल बनने के लिए मैंने किस किस्म के चैलेंजेस फेस किए? आई थिंक ऐसा कोई मंत्र नहीं है कि फैशनेबल बन जाऊं मैं. मैंने कोई ऐसे कोई जाप नहीं किया या कोई मेहनत नहीं करी. आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट अबाउट, एज आई सेड आज को, कि नोइंग कि आपके बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर पे क्या सूट करता है. आपके पास अगर अच्छे अवेलेबल ब्रांड्स हो इनके जैसे, कि वहाँ से क्या पिक करना. मेरे मुताबिक फैशन comes 4 times a year, but style is आप उसमें से जो पिक करते हो, that is style. So मैं लकी था. पता नहीं कि आपने कौन सी फोटो देखी मेरी बचपन की, आपने मेरे देखा कि नहीं देखा कॉलेज की. But I think I was quite lucky that I had enough brands, high street brands दिल्ली में, Benetton के जैसे, जहाँ पे मुझे चूज करने का मौका मिला.
ठीक है. जब किसी लड़की को डेट पर लेकर जाना तब आप नर्वस रहे? कभी पहली बार की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. और क्या उस वक्त कैसे चूज करते हैं कि मुझे क्या पहनना चाहिए?
लड़की कैसे चूज करते हैं?
हाँ, नहीं डेट पर जाते वक्त कपड़े कैसे चूज करते हैं कि क्या पहनना चाहिए?
कपड़े कैसे चूज करते हैं डेट पे जाने के लिए? अच्छा वाह. डेफिनेटली कोई भी लड़का जब डेट पे जाता है, स्कूल कॉलेज में नर्वस ही होता है, हाथ पांव पसीने आ रहे होते हैं. आप बहुत कॉन्शियस होते हैं कि कैसे लग रहे हैं, क्या बोलेंगे, कहाँ लेके जाएंगे. बट फर्स्ट चीज होती है, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज कि लड़की आपको देखती है, कि कैसा दिख रहा है लड़का. तो आई थिंक मेरा जो मैं चूज करता था कपड़े, एक तो अपने उस पर कोशिश करते थे कि नया क्या आया है मार्केट में. और जहाँ पे मैं रहता था साउथ दिल्ली में, वहाँ पे विच आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी ओल्ड, आई हैव हिस्ट्री विद बेनेटॉन, कि वहाँ पे बेनेटॉन वाज द फर्स्ट फैशन ब्रांड जो आया था. मैं डेफकॉन में रहता हूँ, दिल्ली में रहता था. एंड तो वहाँ पे जाके होता था कि नया सीजन क्या है, एंड देन पिक ऑन डिफरेंट कलर्स, वेदर क्या है. आई थिंक मैं उसमें जाता था. बाकी लक की बात ये कि लड़की को पसंद आया कि नहीं आया मेरे को पता नहीं. आई हैव टू आस्क ऑल द गर्ल्स. बट आई थिंक माय मंत्रा वाज कि मौसम कैसा है और मुझे फिट कैसा आता है.
सिद्धार्थ, ग्रोइंग एज में आप सबसे ज़्यादा किसे फॉलो करते थे बॉलीवुड में से?
फैशन पे आई थिंक जो हमेशा फैशनेबल रहे हैं, एक तो दी ऑब्वियस जो सब पूरा इंदर जानता है, मिस्टर बच्चन है. देन आई थिंक उनके बाद आते हैं सैफ अली खान, बिन वेरी वेरी फैशनेबल, बहुत ही शीक, बहुत ही क्लासी कपड़े. यू नो रिसेंट टाइम में ऋतिक रोशन, ऑल थैंक्स टू अनाइटा हु स्टाइल्ड देम फॉर सो मेनी फिल्म्स. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे नाम हैं. एंड यू नो करण जौहर की पिक्चरें जो हैं, हम लोग धर्मा में देखते हैं कि शाहरुख खान जी जो पहनते थे यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ होता है. आई रिमेंबर जो पहली बार इंडियन सिनेमा में इतना कलर देखा, या वो यू नो अलग अलग किस्म के स्पोर्ट्स टी शर्ट देखी हमने. तो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली बॉलीवुड का बहुत अच्छा हाथ रहा है हम सबको फैशनेबल बनाने में.
Siddharth, what your fashion style is?
What my fashion style is? मेरा कोई ऐसा, there's no rule. I think there are no rules that I like to follow every day. दिन की बात है, एक इंडिविजुअल स्टाइल की बात है, मूड की बात है. आज हम स्प्रिंग समर की बात कर रहे हैं, तो मेरे को ये कलर बहुत पसंद आया. यू नो कि इट्स वेरी समरी, इट्स वेरी लाइट. मुझे ये जो बेनेटॉन का ये ग्राफिक टी है बहुत पसंद आई. तो देन आई सॉ कंफर्टेबल शूज़ जो मैच कर रहे हैं मेरे जीन्स के साथ, वो भी बेनेटॉन से है. तो आई थिंक इट्स हर दिन अलग होता है. ऐसा कोई मंत्र नहीं है कि मैं पूरे साल को फॉलो करूं, और ऐसे कोई रूल्स नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से फैशन में. तो या आई थिंक एवरी डे इज़ डिफरेंट.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन सिद्धार्थ, यहाँ पे काफ़ी ऑडियंस है और ये जानना चाहेंगे कि सिद्धार्थ किस तरह से अपील करे कि वो सबसे ज़्यादा फैशनेबल किस तरह हो. आप
वो
कुछ अपील
उनके,
करना चाहिए? हाँ, उनके लिए.
अरे उनको स्टाइलिश बनाने के लिए हमारे पास 3 यहाँ स्टाइलिस्ट थी. मैं उनको वापस बुला लूंगा. आई थिंक दे आर बेटर टू टेल देम एंड स्टाइल द पीपल अराउंड. मैं आज डेफिनेटली कहूँगा कि दिस समर their taste should be made of Benetton. I think it's easy and affordable. All the guys I know, we're on you know, we're very conscious कि समर में क्या पहनेंगे, you know, किस किस्म के ट्रेंड फॉलो करने हैं. When you have a brand like this which gives you affordable trendy clothes, I think it's the best place to shop. So yeah, shop at Benetton, you guys will be fine.
Okay, got one question. When it comes to women's clothing, what is the first thing that you notice?
When it comes to women's clothing, well, I think clothes come second. I think first of all, for me, if I have to ask personally, I see girls' hair. For some reason, I don't know. I have a big thing for girls with open hair, and then the clothes come in. But otherwise, definitely, again, how it's fitting her, the colors and what she's wearing, and you get to know how much the girl likes you. If she's really dressed up, that means she's really made a lot of effort, and that means she likes you. She's into you.
You should
So
get the hint then. You should get the hint.
I should get the hint. I do exactly. Yeah. So I have a keen eye, and I'm following it. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much, Siddharth. Again, can we have a huge round of applause for him, please? Thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys. Have a good evening. Thanks you. I'll come. Okay. Thank you, guys. Big hug.